Hello, in this quick video tutorial I will show you how to purchase a stock using a stop order type. As you can see, I'm currently in the Meta share. Let's say I want to buy 10 shares from Meta. It's currently at 671 and $93, right? It's a quite volatile stock. It goes up and down. As you can see here in the market chart, it recently went up to $691 and 54 cents. Now let's say I want to buy this stock, 10 stocks of this, only if the stock price is at, let's say, $670. I will set the order type to stop, and then I'll click buy. It will show the estimated cost of this order. Click send, and then as you can see here in the orders widget, you can see your purchased stock or the order. It's not a purchase stock or a purchase share yet because again, we set the price to $670. This order will only execute if the price of this stock or if of the share goes down to $670. It will stay here unless the price reaches that point, right? Now you can still modify this. You can either modify the price. Let's say you want to buy at a lower price. Let's say 665, let's say. Hit modify. You can only modify the order type, right? The order type at market, limit, or stop. Again, we'll go with the stop option. Then at the price 665, click send. You can see here at the top right corner that your first order canceled successfully, and your other order activated or executed. In this case, since for a second the stock price reached or went down to $665, your order immediately executed, which is a good thing in this case, right? Now you can see that here on the positions widget. If you want to close this position, let's say you're quite happy with this $20.80. If you close this, just click X and then hit send. Now it will close that position immediately. And that's how to order or buy a share using a stop option.